morning, Bryan City Schools. Today is Monday, February 25th.
Attention seniors, graduation announcements will be delivered on Monday, March 4th. Also, don't forget to stay on top of your exam exemptions. Some of you have already lost yours.
Are you a graduating senior looking for a summer job? Check the board outside the high school office for opportunities like this and many others.
All freshmen on February 27th will receive training on CPR and how to use an AED. The freshmen will be broken up into 4 different groups that day, each lasting around 45 minutes, spanning period 1, 2, 3, and 10. The first period group should report to the cafeteria by 7:55.
Seventh and 8th graders, are you ready to rock your socks off? There will be a dance after school this Wednesday until 4:30. The cost is $2. There is no formal attire and no dates this dance. You need to have someone pick you up at 4:30.
Bryan High School is once again partnering with Eden High School's Cinderella Project. We are collecting dresses, shoes, handbags, and other accessories appropriate for prom. Please bring your donated items to the BHS office by Friday, March 1st.
All items will be available for a donation and all money will be given to the Cancer Assistance of Williams County. The day to shop will be Saturday, March 9th in the Eden High School Band Room from 10 until 2. Hope to see you there.
The BHS blood drive will be next Wednesday, March 6th in the gym. If you would like to sign up, see Mrs. Elser or Mrs. Nothan. You must be 16 years old and have a parent sign your form. Even if you've given blood in the past, you need to fill out the form. Help save.
There will be a boys tennis meeting this Thursday during AA in Coach Lake's room. This meeting will clarify some of the questions the players had, and there have also been a few changes to the schedule.
Congratulations to the boys bowling team on their successful season. The road ended at districts. The girls team won their district and are state bound. Emma Mead was the district champion, with Faith Harding finishing in 2nd place. Nice work, ladies. Have a great day, kids.